Welcome back. The most awaited fiesta, the Feni Festival, commenced in Lotley on Saturday. Ancestral Goa has initiated this festival to motivate people for Feni brewing. This festival is just for 2 days, so don't miss the fun to know the brewing of coconut and Kaju Feni.
Ancestral Goa has organized a 2-day fete of Kaju Feni at Lothuli. The festival aims at highlighting different forms of Feni and its importance. This festival will mostly stress on the brewing of Feni. Ancestral Goa is a center known for preservation of art, culture and environment. Lothuli MLA Alex Sequeira was present for the festival. Ranjani Gupte expressed her delight after visiting the festival and said that people should visit this festival to know the brewing of Feni and its importance.
So many times I come, I like to see, because every time he keeps changing the things and adding in that, so I love to come here. And I think the people also who have come here, they were enchanted to see that, because they could see it live, in life. Like otherwise all the books and the information, they are not of any use to them. Okay, they read and they forget. But here now they have seen everything.
Feni has different types of medicinal values to add to it besides a great taste. There are different types of Feni. It can be prepared from cashew and coconut also. Different games played during olden times like tabla and biyani will be an attraction of the festival. This festival is just for 2 days. Saturday is over, so don't forget to spend your Sunday knowing how to brew the Feni. A reporter in Lothuli, Samir Bhatt.
Exactly 60 years ago, the first Konkani film Mogatso Audo was screened on the 24th of April 1950. Delgado Konkani Academy, in collaboration with Theatre Academy, celebrated Konkani Cinema Day to cherish this achievement. President of the Theatre Academy, Thomasine Cardoz, demanded an urgent need of Konkani Film Festival on the lines of the national and other regional film festivals in Goa.
The first Konkani film Mogatso Audo was released on 24th April 1950. It was produced by late Al Jerry Braganza and it was released in Mumbai. Hence, 24th April is celebrated as Konkani Cinema Day. A photo exhibition of Mogatso Audo was inaugurated by Braganza's wife Bernadette. Thomasine Cardoz said that they want a Konkani Film Festival as soon as possible.
Zuri Dalgat Konkani Academy फाटल्या दावल सांगते करीत आयल्या पण हांवें तो प्रपोजल एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी को घातलेलो की जशे परी एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा मराठी फिल्मांचो हे करता फेस्टिवल करता पोर्चुगीज फिल्मांचो फेस्टिवल करता हंगेरियन फिल्मांचो फेस्टिवल करता तीच परी ESG गोंयची आणि गोंयच्या कोंकणी फिल्मांचो एक फेस्टिवल वर्साच्या वर्सा जावपाक जाय आणि हो फेस्टिवल आयच्या दिसा सुरू जावपाक जाय ओ आयच्या दिसा कामार जावपाक जाय.
Chief guest Dharmanand Virnekar said that there is a need to change the bad image of Goa portrayed in Indian cinema.
गोयची हिंदी सिनेमान इमेज आसा गोयचो लोकेशन घेतले जाल्यार दाखयतले आमी कितें स्मगलराचो डॅन नाजाल्यार हिप्पीचे हे ड्रग्स माफिया हे सगळे गोंयांत दाखोवंक वता. आयचो नवो गोंयचो जो चित्रपट निर्मातो आसा जो फिल्म मेकर आसा ताजे मुखार ही चॅलेंज आसा जी गोंयची इमेज बदलपाची.
After the event, new Konkani film Nisha, produced by Neville Pereira, was screened. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar.
Goa police have trained around 70 of their men in anti-terrorism and counter-insurgency activities. 10 of the police constables and 1 PSI have completed sophisticated training of the NSG, whereas 65 others are trained by CRPF and counter-insurgency agencies. This massive training comes in the wake of terror threats to the state, including the recent intelligence on the LTTE.
Goa police have got their men trained for any eventuality in the state. The state police force has got number of their men trained by some of the most sophisticated agencies in the country. 10 police constables are trained by NSG, 60 police constables and 2 PSI are trained by CRPF. Another 5 men are ready in counter-insurgency and commando course. 2 more pieces have undergone bomb disposal course of NSG. 1 ASI and 2 head constables are ready with explosive sniffer dog handler course. DGP B.S. Bassi congratulated the policemen for their undue performance and hard work during the training and said that they should be all set for any kind of eventuality.
जो आप वहाँ पे सीख के आए हैं, जैसा आपने देखा प्रदर्शन में, चाहे वो कराटे का प्रदर्शन था, चाहे वो आंख बंद करके AK-47 को खोलना जोड़ना था, आपने एक काबिलियत हासिल की है, आपने एक अपने आप में कैपेसिटी डेवलप की है। इस कैपेसिटी को अब कम नहीं होने देना, इस कैपेसिटी को आपने आगे बढ़ाना है। यहाँ पे रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग करके, ताकि अगर कोई मुश्किल घड़ी गोवा के सामने आई तो गोवा पुलिस उसका डटकर मुकाबला कर सके, और कोई गलत व्यक्ति ताकि हिम्मत ना करे कि मैं गोवा को वो सॉफ्ट टारगेट ना समझे। अगर वो गोवा में आएगा तो उसको मुंह की खानी पड़ेगी।
During the award ceremony, few senior police officials were also felicitated. A reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
The 15th European Film Festival commenced in Panji on Saturday. Festival has 23 films from 22 countries. The festival opened with Portuguese film Cristóvão Colombo or Enigma. Goa government has shown full support to this festival. Digambar Kamath has also requested European Union to permanently host this festival in Goa.
Goa is hosting European Union Film Festival for the first time. ESG and delegation of European Union to India have organized this film festival. Festival will go for 12 days. Governor S.S. Sidhu, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Ambassador of Spain Ion de la Riva, and ambassadors of other 11 European Union countries were present at the inaugural ceremony in Panji. Noted film critic Aruna Vasudev was also present. During the inaugural ceremony, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath felicitated family members of Goa's first filmmaker Algeri Braganza. A tribute was also paid to Algeri Braganza. The festival opened with Portuguese film Cristóvão Colombo ou Enigma.
Spain thinks that Goa not only does have a very important past with Europe, and that it was the first city in modern times to bridge the gap between Europe and India. It also thinks that you have a great future ahead, and this is why we, following our intuition, decided to bring the festival to Goa.
And I'm sure, in presence of all the ambassadors, I assure them that we'll fully support this festival, and I also request them to make Goa a permanent venue for hosting the European film festivals in the years to come, so that you don't have to move to any other city or any other state in this country, because be rest assured that Goa will always support this film festival.
The great explorers of medieval era were responsible for opening the world for us to see. This unique event of the European Film Festival is yet another landmark achievement in our continuing efforts to strengthen the international cooperation.
Earlier in the day, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath inaugurated exhibition of European artists in Goa. Exhibition is being held at Makine's Palace. On 26th April, there will be a seminar on European arts in India. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.